What's up, everybody? This is the Welding Machine coming back to you guys with another video. Alright guys, today's video is going to be actually an interesting video. It's going to be a product review of a mag drill that's based out of New Jersey, but it's a Chinese manufactured, and it comes from off of Amazon, I think it is. But they come out with new ones and everything like that. So this is going to be a great drill for you guys to test out for structural small business owners. You can buy, you can buy 3 of these compared to spending $1,000. I would rather prefer this option, depending on what your drill depth and everything is. But we're gonna move right into this whole video. We're gonna get you guys in tune with it, so just stay tuned. We'll be right back. Alright guys, so as we direct your attention, here's the cord that is attached to this device. It's a awesome ground cord, you know. As I direct your attention to the top, you have a nice wire loom that runs all the way down to the inside of this matte black finish casing. And on top, you have a nice rail. When I mean rail, it's a nice rail. It's a nice rail that the whole drill rides on. And the wire loom protects it. One thing he said that he would prefer is longer handles. Now with this drill, on and off switch, you got a fuse and you got a magnet on, magnet off. Now if this magnet on button is not on, that green light will light up when it's on. But you can operate the drill without turning on the magnet, and I will demonstrate that in this video. Okay guys? Alright, so this is the whole drill right there. There's the whole drill. Alright, now we're going to spin this thing around and talk about some other things. Here you got max drill capacity 40 millimeters, rated voltage 110, rated frequency 60 hertz, rated output power is 1100 watts, max traction is 12,000, no load speed is 55 RPM. Max travel is 125 millimeters. It says it's Shanghai strong and mechanical and electrical appliance manufacturing code. This to allow it to be gravity fed with the rubber hose. I'm not gonna hook this up because this is a buddy of mine. I'm gonna do it the old-fashioned way, but it all comes inside. Something if you guys want. Next up is something I think is very important. Now the drill does not come with no bits. Okay guys, so this is separately, it's $100. The drill is $259 without the bits. Comes with everything else without the bits. These are separate. Open these up. It comes with a 1/2 inch by 1 inch. It comes with a 9/16 by 1 inch. It comes with a 11/16 by 1 inch. It comes with a 15/16 by 1 inch, and last but not least, it comes with a these things are sharp. It comes with a 1 1/16 by 1 inch, and it comes with another spare pin for the drill. So this is what it comes. This is what this drill comes with, guys. Just take a look. So with $100 plus $259, you can get this. Something light duty because you're drilling. And then if you're like me, you got a bottle full of milk. If you guys can guess what this is, just guess what it is. If you can guess what this is, I call this milk. But you guys can guess. I don't know. Open to discussion. I'm gonna show you guys. If you can direct your attention to that light right there. If you see that, that's saying, hold on. That's saying that the magnet is on. Let me zoom in so you guys can see. See? That's saying that the magnet is on. Right there, the magnet off, the light is off when I turn on drill. So, safety measures. Number one on the side. Number one, there is no safety switch if the magnet is not on. That's the only downside. Number two, the handles is not bad. The handles could be longer. So number one, safety switch for the magnet. It don't have to be on to run the drill. That's the problem. Number two, handles could be longer. Alright, so let's start drilling. Alright, so we're going to turn the magnet on. Number one, turn the magnet on. Okay, now we're going to start drilling. Remember guys, always turn the drill off before you shut the magnet off. You never know. Too many drill bits been snapped. Now, you guys are saying, Cody, that's all you're gonna do? Or Mr. Welding Machine, is that all you guys are gonna do? No, we're gonna do more. We're gonna take the drill, I'll flip it upside, turn the magnet on. Boom, magnet's on. We're gonna drill. Alright guys, well since it's raining outside, we had to hurry because the video is short. But if you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, rate, and subscribe. If you're new, hit that notification bell. Guys, thank you for watching. If you guys like to see more tool reviews of any kind, let me know in the comments down below. Let's see if we can get this video to get 10 likes or 5 likes at least, guys. Thank you. And comment or everything that we did cover in the video is going to be down in the comments down below. So where the tool came from, how much the bits cost, all it's going to be in the link down below. So y'all stay tuned. Thank you for watching The Welding Machine. You guys have a great day.